Hi, I am Vasudev Pandit and I am a yoga professional. In Delhi NCR, I used to teach yoga, home-based yoga training. I used to provide in Delhi and NCR area from last 5 years. As per my educational credential are concerned, I have done my 10+2 with PCMB, Physics, Chemistry and Mathematics. I have completed my Bachelor of Engineering in Electrical and Electronics branch. After that I worked in a company automation related to automation as a IBMS engineer, integrated building management system engineer. After that I moved to yoga because it makes me happy. I have done my postgraduate diploma in Yoga Vigyan from Dev Sanskriti Vishwavidyalaya Haridwar. Then I qualified QCI yoga, as you all know, it's famous now, for a yoga teacher. Then I completed my MSc in yogic science, and after that I started to teach the yoga extensively. Earlier I used to teach yoga part-time, as I was also working in company and teaching the yoga in the morning. Nowadays I fully prepared for instruct the clients as per their requirements. I always focus on the posture perfection. Posture perfections with the flexibility of the client's body. I read the body type. After that I try to instruct and make a plan accordingly. Either it may be diet plan or the yogic posture plan. What kinds of postures are suitable for a particular client, that's to be designed, and that I doing. I used to teach the different style of yoga. Like in India there is various types of yogic style are practicing, like Vikram yoga, Iyengar yoga, Vihara school of yoga, Hatha yoga, the different techniques. I used to teach as per the client's requirements and as per the suitability of their body parts. If clients wants the much more flexibility, then Iyengar yoga is the very best technique to be performed to make the body completely flexible and energetic. Some of the old age people can't do that kind of yoga, so they have to do the Vihara school of yoga, which includes the meditation, yoga nidra and pranayama the most. So I always try to make the posture correct. So I always adjust the posture perfectly by understanding the anatomy and physiology of a client. We cannot put or press or bend any parts of the body which is beyond their capability. Each and every bones have the capability of movement, like synovial joint and all other joints. All the ligaments has capability to move until some angles and some degree to extend. We cannot extend beyond that at the initial stage. So I first understand the requirements of clients. After that I used to teach. I have a great experience of teaching the yoga, which makes me very happy, and that yoga brings the a smile on the face of clients, that's the most important, and that satisfies me as a yoga professional. My clients are like permanent. Whenever I teach any of the clients prefer to be taught by me only for a longer period of time, because I always focus on the correct postures. If you do the posture correctly, perfectly, and with ease, you will get the appropriate benefit. If you do the posture incorrectly and exhaust your body too much, and you will know to do the savasana or proper meditation, then you cannot get the appropriate or maximum result. So it is essential to design and to plan perfectly as per the client's requirements. So I always focus on the requirements of clients. It might be for weight loss, it might be for diabetes, it might be for cancer, it might be for coronavirus, for immunity boosting, each and everything to be considered before starting the class. I always interview the client first, after that I plan accordingly and start teaching the yoga or start instructing the yoga practices. I have designed my own book and own style, that is Modern Yogic Lifestyle. The lifestyle which includes all kinds of circumstances of the human being, which includes each and everything in it. I also published my book on Amazon, Modern Yogic Lifestyle. I am also doing research on this and try to complete my PhD in the same subject to eradicate or root out the lifestyle diseases. The modern yogic lifestyle will be the best option for the humanity around the world. To re-establish humanity in the world, the modern yogic lifestyle is essential. If each and every person will follow the modern yogic lifestyle, the humanity will bring back to the world, and all kinds of wars and equipments will go off. No need to the equipments, and the pollution free world can be established. So that is the most important thing that I keep in mind. So I always focus on the requirements of clients. Thank you for watching my intro.